Oh yeah, can't wait. Oh, you're so beautiful. Looks great.
Thank you, Dad.
Man. Oh. I love you so much.
You like it?
I think it's beautiful. I think you did great. You picked out a wonderful dress.
Thank
I love
you.
everything
Look at
about
the
it.
flowers.
They are great. That's what all of them look like. Good pictures and oh, it's all awesome. Oh, I love you.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. Are you?
I'm ready.
You ready? You want to just go on down and walk?
Yes.
Color red inside our veins, driving us to the edge and the other side of insane. Dark and cloud rains on me, my clothes are wet, but I still see you there in the lightning mist. Love runs from me every time. Your heart of gold, it electrifies me with your smile. You are my summer snow.
Dear Father in heaven, we gather in your presence with grateful hearts, asking your blessing upon Lindsay and Landry and this sacred moment they share. Surround them with your love, guide them with your wisdom, and strengthen the bond they are about to affirm. May their union be filled with joy, patience, and enduring faith, and may all of us here be reminded of the beauty of love and commitment. Amen.
Michael said something about them going to the golf course when they were younger today, and I always wondered because she never really practiced golf, and all of a sudden she started going out and practicing her chipping and putting, and then I believe Tyler came and told me, what she was really there for.
Our time at Quicksand is important because it is where Lindsay comes into the picture and where the love story of Lindsay and Landry began. It started on the practice putting green during Wimberley High School golf practice. I wasn't sure who made the first move, but I found out yesterday it was Landry. But before you know it, that putting green turned into a conversation pit, and soon, like clockwork, as I was either attending the bar or manning the pro shop, I could look outside at about 4 p.m., once school let out, and I could count on seeing Lindsay and Landry at that putting green. They were just planting the seeds of a relationship they are now reaping.
There are some people in this world who feel like they were gifted to you, placed into your life for a reason. And for me, that person is Lindsay. She loves so deeply and so consistently, and she has loved every version of me. I can't help but believe God had the most perfect timing answering my prayers and placing you into my life. So you can imagine how it feels witnessing him answer Lindsay's most special prayer tonight and fulfilling one of her biggest dreams of marrying Landry.
Even as they left for college, whenever either or both of them would come back to town, there was never any question of if they were still together. Lindsay and Landry together became a certainty, something you can count on and something you were sure of. Their relationship embodies certainty. They were never meant to find anyone other than one another, and we are all sure of it.
I could not draw up a more perfect husband or partner for Lindsay if I tried. You encourage her to be her authentic, silly self and make her feel like the most beautiful woman in the world and in the room, because she is.
Landry and Lindsay, we are so blessed to know you for the last 6 or 7 years. You've been great friends for us, and we just want to thank you for your friendship. We're both so proud of you. And we can't wait to see what you guys accomplish throughout your marriage.
Lindsay, I love you so much, and I'm really grateful. You're such an awesome friend. We've been there for each other during some really hard times, and you're just the best. And I'm always here rooting for the both of you, and I love y'all so much.
You know, in your marriage, time's gonna go by fast, but just remember, always just expect the best of the other person and just serve each other well, and it won't lead you wrong. So congrats to y'all, and we're excited to celebrate with y'all. So thank y'all for having us.
Lindsay and Landry, have you come here today of your own free will to declare your love and devotion to one another in front of your loved ones? Landry, do you take Lindsay to be your wife, to have and to hold, for better, for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others from this day forward till death do you part?
I do.
Lindsay, do you take Landry to be your husband, to have and to hold, for better, for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, forsaking all others from this day forward until death do you part?
I do.
Now that you have declared your commitment to one another before God and these witnesses, we celebrate the beginning of your life together. The unity candle you are about to light is a symbol of that joining. As you light this candle, may it represent the love you share, the faith that guides you, and the commitment you have made today. Faithful and loving God, we thank you for the covenant Lindsay and Landry have made today. You have witnessed their vows, blessed their rings, and been present in the light they now share. May their marriage reflect your love in the world, growing deeper with each passing day. Well, by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
How did I get so lucky? I die when I look in your eyes, then I come back alive when you touch me. You're the one for me, so here I am to give all I have. I'm in love with you, and you know that it's true. You can always count on me to carry
Introducing, for the very first time, as husband and wife, Lindsay and Landry Harris.
Hi Landry. I just wanted to say how excited I am for y'all to be married after all these years.
Congratulations, Landry and Lindsay. We love you so, so much. And we've been talking about this day since probably first day we all met in College Station. I can't believe it's actually here. Everything was gorgeous, and we just love you so, so much.
So happy for y'all, so excited we got to meet in college and I got to be with y'all, and thanks to Lindsay and Landry, I was able to meet Mitchell, and in 2 weeks we'll see you again.
We're just so very happy for you, Lindsay and Landry, and we just have cherished this whole process and the day, and we're so thankful and we feel so very blessed and just so happy that everything has turned out so wonderful. Do you have
I think y'all are perfect for each other, and I'm already getting choked up. Landry, welcome to the family. It's an honor for you to
be part
be part of our family.
All right, Landry and Lindsay, I'm so happy for you guys. You guys did a great job. It's been so much fun. Looking forward to the evening. Wish you the best. Love you guys.
I am so excited for this special day with Landry and Lindsay. They are the sweetest couple, and I wish them nothing but happiness. Love you, Mom.
Okay, I gained a sister today, and I couldn't be happier. I've known you forever, and I'm so glad that we'll be sisters for life. I love you.
That was really just about Lindsay. That wasn't even about my brother.
Lindsay's loving and caring, and Landry's the sound, level head with the foundation. Like they say, build a strong house on a strong foundation and not a sinking sand. And that's what they're doing.
She's a handful, but you have two hands for a reason, and I'm completely at ease knowing she will be in yours forever.
We're married! Woo! And I can't be, watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out. Hey, baby. I'm on the move, I'm going out. I'm a man on a mission with no missions, and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. And baby, I feel real good, and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good, baby. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. Watch out.
The love and faithfulness that has got you here will be the pillars of your life-giving marriage. Stay close to each other. Resist the temptation of self-sufficiency, of thinking you have to do it by yourself, and embark on this journey together.